What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm still not 100% and my voice is pretty in and out, but my brother's here and I'm gonna be flipping the camera over to him. He's brought over a new rig build that he's doing. It's kind of a little bit of a hodgepodge, but I figured you guys would enjoy it regardless. So I'm gonna turn the camera and the mic over to him here in a second. Peace, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully I'll be back to doing that thing.
What's up, guys? I'm Peyton. I'm Brandon's brother, so I'm gonna kind of be running the show today. You know, he's feeling bad. He doesn't really have a voice, but today's kind of a simple day. I'm actually doing a little small rig build. It's kind of like Brandon said, it's a little bit of a hodgepodge. So I got three 3070 Ti's, a 3070, and actually this is kind of what makes it the hodgepodge, but a 5500 XT 8 gig. And we're gonna be doing it all on this bad boy right here, an S37 riserless motherboard. So that was one thing that kind of drew my attention to it. Brandon actually did one a while ago. He's had it for a long time, so I think I'm gonna do it, and yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys, and another thing why I really like these motherboards is so it runs on DDR3 SODIMM laptop RAM, and you can get it online for practically nothing. I mean, it's super cheap compared to, you know, normal RAM. And another thing, they already come with a CPU, so you don't even have to worry about that. You literally just have to have your RAM, you know, a server power supply, cards, and she's ready to rock. So let's go ahead and we'll put this bad boy in here. Boom. Oh. Yeah, we're in there. Are we in there? Did I do it upside down?
Huh?
No, it's in there, right?
I think that's it. It doesn't look like it's all the way down.
It clicked. I don't want to push it any further.
There. There now. See that?
Oh.
See, she's gooch.
Push it down a little bit more in that corner.
See. Perfect.
Okay.
Good. My voice probably sounds so bad on camera. What do you think?
Sure that doesn't go in there anymore?
Wait, it's in there. Here, in there.
Break it. It is like, it feels a lot more fragile. All right, let's put some cards on this thing. Let's get this thing back to hashing.
All right.
Well, guys, so we had to come up with a professional, non-professional, call it what you want. But you know, in case you ever gotta take off running with your GPUs, you know, real fast, you just you'll pick it up and just run with it. No, but in all seriousness, I think this is actually gonna work pretty good. I think it's actually what it's made for, is to go on a 2x8, but it actually turned out really well. It's not what it's made for, by the way, but it turned out perfect. So I think now we're gonna, it definitely added like, sturdiness, so let's mount some cards on it.
Yep.
All right, guys, so we got everything mounted. Got 750 watt, 750 watt. I think we're ready to rock. I think it's time to power it up. Yeah, we're gonna move it.
Demonstration of the mount right here.
It's super sturdy. I mean, I could run with them. Wouldn't suggest it though.
Flip it around. Yeah, that's fine. There it is.
Boom. Boom. Like we know what we were doing.
We got these two plugs right here. We'll plug those in. I'll grab Ethernet and we'll fire it up.
Yeah, let's do it. All right, guys. So on these motherboards, the way they are, so I have this power supply running these three cards and then powering the motherboard. And I have this power supply powering just these two cards, and then of course ready for more cards. So when it comes to these, you always want to turn your accessory or your auxiliary power supply on first, like so, and then you'll want to turn the one that's going to power the motherboard and the rest of the cards on, and then boom, just like that, she's on.
It's quiet.
It is very quiet.
It's a quiet rig.
Yeah, it's really quiet.
It looks good. Look at that light right there. RGB.
Oh my god.
Actually, that's just G.
Just G.
There's
no R and no.
There's some R right there. See the red?
Now we just need B.
Yeah. All right. All right, so Peyton, how much do you have invested in this rig?
Okay, so I have three 3070 Ti's that I picked up for $925 a piece. So,
Yep.
boom. Oh,
Yep.
there we go. So yeah, and then I picked up the 3070 today. I overpaid for it. I paid $1,000.
It's
for
fine.
it.
We're talking real numbers, no smoke and mirrors.
So I paid $1,000 for it today.
Ouch, that hurt.
And yeah, that did hurt. And then the 5500 XT I got for $225.
Yeah,
So,
I hooked him up on that.
Yeah, Brandon did hook me up on that.
A local guy was gonna sell it, and
So you're looking at I have 4,000 in just GPUs.
yeah, motherboard was what, $200?
Yeah, plus another two. It was like 220. So.
220, and then go ahead and plus, you got like $50 in each of those power supplies, so another $100.
Oh well, shit. Okay.
Plus 50,
Oh,
plus 60. That's fine. So you got about $4,300 into it. Now open up a what to mine tab. Gosh, this is an expensive little rig right here.
Yeah, it
Now
was.
scroll down and go to click on Ethereum. And how much hash is this rig putting out?
261.
What's the wattage usage? 669. So we'll round that up to like probably about 750.
So what? 260. Let's do 260.
And now power.
So what was power?
Just do like 750. It's always some more from the wall.
750.
hit calculate.
Boom, 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 boom. And that's at 10 cent a kilowatt.
Yeah,
so.
and then look at your daily. You're doing $22 a day. Cost is $1.80 in power. You're profiting $20.29. So get back, open your calculator back up, and divide that by 20.29.
0.29.
Yes, sir. So if you're taking power out, it's going to take you 213 days to make your money back on that bad boy. What do you think about that?
So
That's
it's
actually
a little over 7 months.
Yeah, a little over. That's not horrible.
That's not terrible. I mean, it's pretty bad, but I mean, considering what they're costing, it's really not that bad.
So as long as the market doesn't collapse, you're fine.
Yeah, if it collapses, then it's foreclosure.
ROI is never. That's what we used to joke about back in like 2018, 2019. Oh, it's only going to take us 3 years to
to pay this thing off.
to ROI these cars.
So yeah, I guess it's not that bad.
Yeah. All right. Now let's cut to the hash rates before we're gone. All right. So they're up and running. We just installed a Hive USB drive. Peyton's fine tuning them over here on Hive. What are we getting?
Total about like 260 mega hash. Trying to pull this 3070 Ti up a little bit. It's a little low. These are doing pretty good, but I'd like to get this back up about 57, 58 area.
Look at that. Look at that non-LHR 3070 right there. You can pump that up.
Yeah, I
some more.
know. I'm about to.
They're like 2100, maybe 2200 on the memory.
Let's go
So,
Gusto. Let's just go 22.
Anyway, guys, I'm gonna call it on this one, Peyton.
Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.
That's it. What?
I don't know. It's kind of hard.
What? No, like you got to do a true send off, you know.
What's a true send off? I don't know. See, look, you got me all tongue tied. You caught me flustered.
Put you on the spot. My bad.
Later, guys. Thanks for watching, and thanks for dealing with me and replacing Brandon. Hopefully, he feels better. Jelly Gang.
We'll snap it off.
Just wait to it.